Today we're going to show you how to clean your Undercounter ice maker. First thing we're going to do is turn the ice maker off, and then just in case there's any ice on the cutter grid ready to drop, we have to wait at least 10 minutes for all of that ice to drop. After all the ice is dropping down into the bin, we need to empty all of the ice that's in the bin out of the ice maker. Okay, our next step after the ice has been removed is to remove this drain cap for the water and wait for it all to completely drain out. We want to put the cap back on and make sure it's fully secure. The next step is to add the approved ice maker cleaner, a 16-ounce bottle. And then where we put it is in the ice maker water pan here in the back. Next, we're going to fill this bottle 2 times with water and put that into the pan. After we filled the pan, now we're going to start the ice maker cleaning process by pushing the ice maker clean button, and then it will illuminate and start the pump running, and now you know it's cleaning. As long as this light's on, it's actually cleaning the ice maker itself with solutions. When the cleaning cycle is complete, it'll illuminate telling you that the cleaning cycle is complete. The next thing for us to do is to empty the water pan by taking the water valve, the water cap off, allowing it to completely drain, and then securing the water cap tightly. Next thing we're going to do is turn the ice maker back on to operation, close the door, and enjoy your ice maker.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.